Hey there, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking with TRAKKA, part of our TRAKKA Unpacked series, where we show you how to turn your camper into a 5-star kitchen, operated by a very enthusiastic, slightly chaotic home cook, and hopefully some guest chefs along the way. Look, she's committed to the cause. I spend a ridiculous amount of time watching cooking content on socials, and even more time trying to recreate them. This part of the series is all about, easy, fun, a little off-script cooking, using TRAKKA's dual induction cooktop, the convection microwave oven, and when the view calls for it, the good old outdoor barbecue. There's no rules here. We're embracing ingredient swaps, shortcuts, and snackcidents, because let's face it, the only thing we don't want to overcook is the cleanup. So let's get into it. Today we're kicking off with Smash Me Tacos, a twist on the classic smash burger and banh mi. We're here at one of my favourite places, Forest Way Fresh in Terry Hills. Let's go grab some ingredients. Okay, so for our Smash Me Tacos, we've got flour tortillas. The size of these doesn't matter as much. I do prefer the smaller ones, easy to fry, and you can have more of them. For our meat mix, I'm using chicken minced, 500 grams. And then to, flavour those, we've got coconut sugar, soy sauce, fish sauce, a little bit of grated ginger, lime juice, an egg, and a couple of cloves of garlic. All of these are easily substituted. Then for the garnish, we've got, again, up to your personal taste, but I've used a bit of Kewpie mayo. You can use Frank's hot sauce, nice small bottle, or you can do something like a crispy chili oil. And then, so out of our 170 litre fridge freezer, I've got some pre-pickled carrot and some herbs, fresh coriander, and some thinly sliced cucumber. I've also got in here some lemongrass and shallot, little tidbit for you. To keep stuff fresher for longer, I've just got some damp paper towel in a container. So for the meat mixture, I was going to blend in the little Ninja blender just for minimising, cleanup. I did forget to bring a chopping board, but the boys kindly made me one, so we're going to use that for chopping today. Alright, so for the meat mixture, we're going to use the lemongrass and a couple of the shallots. We've got 2 cloves of garlic, a bit of ginger, decent squeeze of lime juice, approximately a tablespoon of the fish sauce, teaspoon of soy, a little sprinkle of the coconut sugar, just to sweeten it, probably about a teaspoon. So today we're cooking on the dual induction cooktop, which will be running off our 48-volt electrical system. So there's no having to switch over from 12 to 48 volt, does it all for you. And I've just got the Tefal induction ready cookware. So we've got 2 sides, one's rated to 1400 and one's 1000. Today we're going to use 1400. Coconut oil. I prefer to use a more neutral style oil. So here we've just got one of the tortilla wraps with the chicken and flavour mix smeared on, which I've just mixed together. And we're going to now just fry it straight onto the pan, like so. You want a bit of that sizzle. So these ones are actually pre-prepared and froze, just lined with a bit of baking paper into the freezer. Take them out to thaw them before cooking. Because the meat mixture is quite thin, it's going to cook pretty quick, so it's only going to need a couple of minutes, and you can just keep checking. And I do like to flip so you get the other side nice and brown too.